This is Randy. Jamaica Good Life. We're in Clarendon right now. I'm going to introduce you to something that's a place that's really nice. The prices are very good. $45, one Escovitch fish, one steamed fish, red stripe, and another drink, and Manish water and fish tea. Maurice, right? So Google that, Maurice Fish and Jerk. Thing about Maurice, freshwater fish, you can buy the fish here in Clarendon, on the way from Kingston. Thing about Maurice is it's good price, really good price for good food. I think one of the best price I've seen for food in Jamaica, and of course kinda don't eat pork. So what I want to introduce you guys to, we're going to put this in the back of the car. I buy a little piece of the pork and I said to him, oh, we get a barrel. No, put it in the car. You ever put it on the car? This is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. Whoa! Right there, sir. I don't know, I live already. You see this in here, sir? You see this, people? You see this? This right here, sir, is from Maurice. Pay attention. $550, so under $4 for touch the pork. I'm eating this because of the viewers. I'm gonna have a piece of sausage in it too. That's American style. I put some hot sauce on it. So this is Clarendon, and this is Maurice, people. Clarendon Park. All right. So this is Maurice, and so what may I say? This is for Gaza, but just to make sure, say it no spoil, I'm gonna eat a piece of it. Gaza can't say me never. No, this is Maurice pork. You know, me travel the world just for eat and satisfy the viewers them. I know me really eat pork. Okay. You know, so Randy's are foodie. Out of porky pork and Maurice pork and Mandeville pork. You know, this could be more spicy. Be honest. Maybe the sour. Good texture. Well, porky pork in the grill. And the pork in the Mandeville. Then Maurice. That's the sausage. All right. It can eat. So the Mandeville one more kicking. Porky definitely win. Nigrill win. Kingston chicken wicked. But nigrill jerk chicken to me. Porky win the pork race. But nigrill jerk chicken with the bread there. Mandeville jerk pork also. So Maurice, you're up there. But you know win nigrill. You know win porky. Sorry. I porky around the show. I'm Mandeville. So no. Over here. So, yeah, much water. some sauce and thing. Them want deep seasoning, you know? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright. I'll leave this for Gaza. Get to him mother. Later. The experience at Maurice is very good. Love it.
Specialized now, you know,
Love it. I fish them known for. Alright. People, this is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. Here I'm at it to them. I don't know, some low up on the meat and thing, but because Sandra's in Mandeville, she opened for my Sunday. And let me tell you something. The restaurant named Sandra's. When I Google it, I'm going to interview them at some point. But I just want to check out the food and say, well, go on. Let me tell you something. You remember when dumpling used to smoke in a gravy? You remember when dumpling just soak in a gravy and you turn it round and just soak it again? People, battery soon done. Hey, you just soak the dumpling. Make me show off with my dumpling. Dumpling show off. You know, sir. Look on that dumpling here, man. The place named Sandra and Mandeville. I must check it out. Me tell you something. Come here, dumpling. Jamaica Good Life. Gaza, Jason, Bolton, everybody over the world. Big up on yourself. Good curry goat there, son. And you know, cook out too much. Have a little crunch to it. Not too salt. Yeah. Telling some people. I'm talking about everybody that talk about crime and killing. It is real. But just go about your business. Don't be afraid. Because if you know come to taste your curry goat here in a Mandeville. Why? Nothing can stop me from being a Jamaican. This is a food here. The dumpling soaking on the gravy. Sandy, big up yourself. Let me get some curry for me. My phone. I don't talk with food that much. I know Jamaica Good Life, you know. Mandeville. Grinded up on it. This is what Sunday looks like in Mandeville. But Sandra always open on Sunday, so if you not ever want to eat some wicked food, now Sandra said Jamaica Good Life is like the curry goat. And I'm going to check something else. Hey Rasta, make sure I'm fishing a lot, you know.
Yeah man, I hate man.
I watch you, you know. I watch you. I for watch them Rasta, you know. I'm not come from Sandra, make sure I'm fishing, you know, brother. And take out the pork out the things that I don't see you. One time I have to police the Rasta, them, you know. And them hiding at the restaurant on Sunday. You know, what's enough for them? All them order pork for them friend. Change and balance, you say. If you eat meat, you know if you eat it. You either use ketchup, pickle. Now here's the thing. The human level's been developing for many years. And humanity, most people say enough to eat meat, and enough time when you hear me say I go, cut back on your weight. But you say when you reach Jamaica, let me tell you, I wish me have another dumpling. But hear me say, man, change and balance go on the meat. And right now, you want a pickle, some wine. It may take a long time to digest. Eat curry goat once a month. If well, people, enjoy your life. Make sure you take care of your wife. Because the important thing is this. You know what I'm saying? Them say black life matter. You know what I'm saying? Black wife matter. So I'm going to take that for a run. I close it up. Phone caller come in. Let's eat some food on the scene. Let me see if that's my queen. Later. Jamaica Good Life. Randy here with another great experience in Mandeville. Today, did you make the sauce, sir? You make the sauce. Who teach you how to make it? Grandmother?
Yes, yes.
So you make the sauce and the hot sauce, everything. So guys, I just eat all the time? I just eat?
Yeah.
So how do you compare his chicken to others?
My doing thing.
My doing thing? Yeah. Well, good seeds. How come your chicken? How come your chicken them look have a little touch of yellow? Oh, the seasoning. So you're one different. How many years you doing it? 20 years? Well, you look like you're not proud of yourself, you know. You don't talk loud. What's your name? Cedric, open it back. Oh, you sell it?
No, 5, I'm now 6.
Let me get 5. Yo, Gaza, for Frederick chicken, unique. Nobody in Jamaica. You know, say, Gaza.
Yeah.
You see him, sir? I the sauce.
What is sauce? So guys, I recommend a good jerk chicken.
No, my name sauce.
Sauce bad.
Frederick?
Yeah.
This is chicken here, sir?
Yeah, chop up the phone. People them so you chop the phone. Whole world I see it now, Cedric. Whole world I see it. You think you want to call me?
Cheese, you want to chase it?
Man, I'm phone. Jason.
Oh, yeah, bread? Yeah, bread now. Bread now. No, Gaza.
I do 2 good ketchup, you know.
Hey, put 3 more in a separate thing.
Yeah, separate here. I do 2 good ketchup.
You want to put the sauce on my one like this one now?
Gaza is a little girl. Say it. Say it now. Say it. Say it.
Man, I eat ketchup, man. You eat ketchup, Frederick? You eat ketchup, right? Yes, okay. A little boy is not eat ketchup. We eat ketchup. A big man.
Give me my chicken. Give me my chicken.
Why can't I ask someone? You eat ketchup? Why not eat ketchup?
Ketchup? Go on, do a video.
I'll tell him again. Yeah? You know it's a fermentation in a ketchup.
I know that. But in a tomato.
They're
So
natural. You eat tomato?
Yeah. And I see it like, you want to know. Because, you know, farm again. You go look it up. Alright, you get the smartphone if you're a good purpose. So when you want to use it, you dedicate it in farm. Remember me tell you. Alright, the best thing I could ever do is make a smartphone. My name bright and I become bright. College me gone, master. College me gone with my smartphone. College. Smartphone. Oh God, me love it. Me never bright and now me get intellect. So my brightness turn up. Way up. Way up. My brightness turn up. Real thing in the street. I will in the street, you.
Cedric.
In the street. The whole formation, I'm gonna eat in the street. Hungry, eh? Man have eat in the street.
Cedric.
See that? Some eat vegetables, some eat meat. Some lie down and rest while some of them asleep. That'd be nice.
I ain't skinny.
Some are meditate while some of them are dream.
Veggie chicken is on the side.
Yeah, this is a veggie chicken, you know? Yeah.
Now when you eat, the whole world know you eat pork, so you don't have to pretty it up.
Sell the chicken for the TV.
Now that camera blurry though. food God? Let's press it. Food God. Press it.
Can you put food in the pot?
That's why I'm so quiet now. I know saying food good. I'm not the job. People, show them that. This is Cedric chicken in Nashville Bus Park. When you come Jamaica,
Yeah.
make sure you come check this out. People over the world, eat it with your hands.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You're at Jamaica, when you come Nashville Bus Stop. Cedric Jerk, the best. The best of the best. Vegetable chicken, sir, right here. The best of the best. You don't have to eat with the fork, you have to eat with the fingers.
No, all chicken are vegetable. I can't green feed them.
Vegetable chicken. Oh, watch out now. This man doing his own spice. You see, I make the chicken nice. Yeah? Touch it up.
It's
yeah.
not Grace ketchup.
Okay, touch it up.
Touch
it up.
No.
I
That
know.
the they show you put the camera there, the sauce, they
Yeah,
are showing in it. Catch you already.
Yeah. You mean, touch it up. Cedric, the best jerk when it comes to Jamaica. Yeah. What you mean?
Well, but you know your fork up though.
Vegetable chicken. The man here don't raise the chicken without vegetable.
It's not tomato ketchup. It's the sauce. But you just put in a ketchup box. Not Grace, but Cedric sauce.
Get two cold drinks now. Yo, people. I'm not like tuna now. Kinda, you know, something like feed. Your finger knowing the thing.
We're going Coke.
Alright, please open that for me. I'm going to tell you something. You see that man named Cedric? I hide him, from the whole Jamaica. I just make him large. Everybody in the world. You see the sauce here, so? Chicken or chicken. Every man a jerk chicken from a long time. But every man can make this a sauce and combine it with the thing.
With Coke.
Captain Farmer, how are you doing today?
I'm not doing bad enough. I'm on the street.
Uh-huh. So this is the second job.
This is the second
So I
job.
see you have a UV 400 glasses, protection.
Yeah, from the sun, you know.
Oh, from working in the farm and in the bus park.
In the bus park.
You're a great dad, man.
Yeah.
The whole world loves you, bro.
Yeah.
Because
I'm a real person. That's what they roll.
because you have a fashion statement. Gaza, you have money.
No! No! No!
Gaza.
We just China tea.
Gaza, what you say? Are your wife dressed you?
Yeah.
Are she dressed you?
Yeah, my wife just.
So she said green goes with green.
Yeah.
So you loading the bus today?
Yeah, that was in this Sav bus.
This is for
Sav,
Okay.
Mobi.
That's Mobay. You loading both of them?
Yeah, loading both of them. And also I'm gonna load my bus go to Spanish Town when it's time to load.
Oh wow. So you're doing bus loading today?
Today on the ground.
And-
So
and-
tomorrow will be on the road with my cousin.
Got it. So you load multiple buses. Now the drivers choose you. Why?
You know, I'm just doing the dirt for my father.
Okay. So you have to dress properly even on the job. It attracts the customers.
Really, you just how comfortable you want to. You see?
So
This is not a office
you
work.
have money, bro.
No, I don't have any money, bro.
You have money, bro.
No, look how you dress.
Oh, me look
That-
like a dirty country man.
Now you that Tim Boots and
No,
that
me
shirt
not a
and
dirty
jeans.
country man. Me not have no money.
I'm a countryman.
You have money.
Just do it like Nike.
So this is Mandeville Bus Park with Gaza himself. Second job, ghetto youth coming from the streets. He's a farmer and a conductor. This is to inspire the whole Jamaican youth. Them say, look, like Marcus said, it can be done.
Done. And do it like Nike.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Yeah. No excuse, no talk about it. Man can load 2 buses and take care of family. So how long is the baby? Hey Gaza, do you want the whole world to we send the link so they could buy at the registry?
Yeah, you can do that.
The baby, I know a baby's on the way for you, bro.
Yeah, expecting a brand new newborn baby. We don't name us yet. We don't have an he or she. Gonna born on July the 26th. So we're gonna keep a baby shower. So I'll send it the registry to all my peeps them.
On the fans.
All
Click
the
on the
fans
registry.
them who want to give us check. You don't have to do it, but if you want to, you can.
Yeah, man.
So we give you appreciate for anything you do and everything.
The people that must support you, man. Them say I told job you have. How many kids total now?
In total, it's gonna be 6 in total.
6.
Yeah.
I can only afford one. I know you have money.
No, I don't have any money.
You gotta have money.
No,
you
I
have
don't.
6 kids, bro. But you work hard.
Yeah, because we do farming, we work very hard.
Yeah. So now,
And more time we very, very hard. And go and things just run out and you just baby bomb.
so are you going for 7, 8?
No, that is my last.
You sure?
Yeah, that's sure. I'm positive.
You sure?
It's time now to create a foundation. Enough people that say, why you never create a foundation?
Yeah, your
now?
customer coming. So he's loading 2 buses, you know. He load 2 buses. Alright, so he has to load 2 buses. Second job. But we love what you're doing. You inspire the youth them in the world. And I'm out here in the hot sun working with you.
Every day.
You see?
And as I said, every person who sit down and say they can, you can find something to do.
It can be done.
It can be done. Like my friend
Marcus.
it can be done. Marcus and Kevin said it can be done.
Big up Kevin.
But I said, just do it like Nike.
Big up Kevin.
Big up Kevin.
You know someone Kevin can help you load some bus?
No.
No?
Kevin, Marcus, Bolton, Kynum, Lenky.
Do you want Kinda to help you load some bus?
No.
No?
He don't do those stuff.
You don't...
Kynum is a pretty boy.
Oh. I know.
Kynum is a pretty boy. He don't do those stuff. He's not film type of guy.
So...
He's a farmer.
He's saying that you don't load buses? That's not your style?
You know I can set up for mistake because we can't talk for long now.
Oh, you can't tell? Okay, so...
He have list
We
up.
can't talk for long, it makes sense. Then avoid the talking.
He have list up.
Okay, he's not a people person.
No, he's not a people person. He's a midnight person.
Nocturnal creature.
Yeah. I'm a people person.
Yes.
Why you do that?
I'm a job person.
Yeah.
I'm also, yeah.
So you're drinking on the job?
No, this is, what do you call it? Tonic. This is a tonic. This is not rum, this is a tonic.
How has this
Tonic
movement changed your life so far?
Yeah, we give thanks to all the person who show me love. Thank you for that. Thank you for the strength. Thank you for the grace. I also want to big up my like Ekistan, my like Kevin, all of the people who give me strength, big them up. Big up the person who give me the song. I'm grateful and respect for you.
Give thanks. Signing
Give
out.
thanks.
Jamaica good life.
In the street, you have faith in even them people in the street, you talk about the road bus, you talk it too, brother.
I think he thinks...
Every work you do, you have to have faith. Every work you
And the people in this move. You see. Just a move one thing. Make a good life, Randy, again. This is Royal Flats. That's Royal Flats. This is Manchester. Beautiful. Alright, my people. Jamaica, good life. When you hear them say Jamaica, good life, all I really want now is a good wife. And me originate it. We're gonna hear it. Now the originator, foundation, navigator, terminator if a boy tries so. Life, there's a rainbow at the end. Look at that. See that rainbow, people? I caught a rainbow today. Hi. Look at that, people. There's a rainbow. And there's a rainbow in the sky. You know the sign of that rainbow? It means that everything's gonna be alright. Check out the rainbow, people. Check out the view. We're in the country. Gonna see a special friend. All positivity in life. Promoting positivity. The world is such a place, and we do the best we can, and we take our time. Love light to everyone. Hope your rainbow shines. See that? Yeah, man. Look on the view, people. This is Jamaica. Good life. See the good life there? When you retire. Look at it. This is your home. Manchester. Yes, people. Wow. Welcome back to another great Jamaica Good Life experience. What is this I have here? We're gonna do the math. When I told you guys about Jamaica Good Life, when you buy from the farmers directly, right? I might tell you how to survive in Jamaica. Look at this. It's all directly from the farmer. All of this. So you call up the farmer and say to them, pack me a crocus bag. Pack me 2 crocus bag. I want to plant some cane. Them give the cane suckers and everything. 2 chicken. Look at this. This is about 11 pounds total. You pay $2.50 a pound, Jamaican. But look at the sugar cane. Some to eat, and then you plant. Right? Let me tell you something, people. This is Jamaica Good Life. Look at the big yam them. She asking me, how much did I spend? How long will this last me? Banana. Look how much potato for the potato pudding. And of course you have to have your Cersei and your fever grass. And this is what I've been talking about. Only in Jamaica. You get your thing from the farmer, you support the farmer. You know how much all of this costs? All of this cost me about $43 US, about 6,000 Jamaican. About $43. So this will last me about a month, right? Because the potato will last me about a good, yeah, I'm not have to eat it so often. Can eat, you know? And the banana probably lasts me 3 weeks or 2 weeks maybe. Just me one. So, brothers and sisters, the chicken, make some soup. You know what I say? Jamaica is amazing. So this is what I've been always telling you guys. You don't shop in Jamaica at the market. You call, you have like 10 different farming friends, and then share this with your neighbor. The thing about Jamaica, when you buy something when you return, and your neighbors see you give them a big piece of yam. Right, Jason? Tell me, say them, come talk to me. When you give your neighbor a nice big piece of yam, they're not protect you forever.
No, where's the spot I come from? Where's the spot I want to do this? Mandeville. I mean, I didn't do so much farming, they crown you.
Them crown you. So when you give your neighbor, say, so I bring a piece of yam for you, and a piece of banana.
I want 2 and a banana. What you mean? We're still in the farming, and you still can't give them potato.
And potato.
I don't even know what you do for them.
Because some people don't buy yam like this for a while.
Some people need to buy it. They go and buy this, and you take a shot. This is 2.5 pounds. 3. That's why the time most people are afraid. The average Jamaican, they really buy so much in a yam.
Yeah.
Some of them just
too expensive.
Serious, yeah. But like now, if the yam price drop, yeah, man, they don't buy it.
No, when price drop.
They don't buy like about 5 pounds up. They don't think them about what it's about.
And this is a total about how much? It's about...
Oh, 8 pounds to 10 pounds. Yes, sir. Or 3.5. Let's put this about 20 pounds a yam.
Yes, about 20 pounds a yam, people. Sugar cane to eat and to plant. 2 chicken. And this is one whole bunch.
Yeah, one whole bunch.
Look at this big part of the bunch. Look at You see with this with liver, or this with, you see how it nice? And
Salt mackerel.
salt mackerel, yeah, for breakfast.
Yeah.
And this, you know,
no
totally
dumpling,
fit.
You know, no dumpling, I say no, when they look about all of the mama. They look about the yam.
Yam and banana.
And potato. And salt mackerel.
And salt mackerel.
They just cook it up.
Yeah, man, so I need a lot of onion, scallion. I'm going to do this right, you know. Okra, tomato.
Put where you like in anything.
Yeah, man. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to take care of a piece of dinner for no people. And when we do the chicken, we're going to do some soup on that with some potato and yam and thing. But I'm going to cook a nice piece of dinner for no. And plant the cane them, we don't know. Jason, you want to try my cane suckers them? Okay.
You want it.
All right, so I'm going to plant my cane sucker them tomorrow, people. We're going to do that together. No, sir, the Jamaica good life. One of the are wasting the time I talk about crime. People live, sir. So I'm going to plant the cane sucker just lying down like that. This is Randy dirty kitchen. See there? At the dot of the yam, the kitchen clean. And we're gonna cook some nice things coming up soon. Miss Cersei, I saw the live life. And what am I good? Oh, and give me some mint too. Boy, give thanks. What kind of mint in name?
Colors, man.
Colors.
Yeah, colors, man.
So now I'm gonna set this.
Yeah, that's easy to catch.
It's easy to catch.
Easy.
Put in the water.
Now one kind of looking at dirt. Reverse your water, your things in that.
And this one, this are the little one, black mint.
No, the whole of them are colors mint. Yeah.
Colors
So
mint.
Colors mint. This are even peppermint.
Ah, that one I like.
Yeah. This is one I other one to get out. I order mint.
Some years, the one here.
Yeah,
So I have to put little dirt and water in it.
Yeah, in a pot. You set it up in a cup. Cut the cup bottom. Full up with little dirt. Then you put this in it.
Yeah.
I put this in the first and full up with it.
So I mean, I can cut the colors mint multiple times.
Yeah.
Right? Like every stem thing we can cut.
So like here, so.
Put it down here, so.
Like here, so.
Yeah.
Like an eye, like.
Cut it where the eye
So
is. Slant it.
Here, so.
Slant it, right?
Yeah, but when they are slant, you can't bust here, so someone that tells you just cut it, so. You know, or this
and then put them in the ground straight and water it. So I'm going to create a mint bed.
Yeah, you have to use the stick there, so. You can't just take off one of them there. Unplant them.
Unplant them one day. Okay. So I'm going to do that. I'll put them in the water tonight.
Yeah. I'm going to put in the water tonight, they would.
Yeah, for just keep it. Yes, people. See it there? And we're gonna plant the fever grass tomorrow. Yeah, man. So this is the life, the Jamaica good life. Yes, my people. See it there? All of them are gonna really work the magic and really try to talk to the one here and make him grow and come and love mint, you know. See them one there, man. Look how the mint are nice, man. Look how fine. Our black mint, you say?
This one a blossom. Sweet as you can see.
Okay.
This is reach, I want to say now. Boy, come out of perfection, I want to reach perfection.
So,
that's what most Jamaican afraid of. Seriously.
why are they afraid of it?
It's too sweet outside, too bitter.
Okay.
For some people.
Yeah, so people, this right here, I'm gonna boil. People always say don't green bush, but seriously, you have to do green. Yeah, man.
This, you can boil seriously. This I bring back a kind of sweeter taste, so you put it whatever to it. This have a sweet taste in it, so you bring it back and you put the peppermint.
That's special, man. I forgot. Set them up, people. So this is Jamaica Good Life. I want to thank my farmer. You know, I live good life, and I hope you can join us. I could put the chicken back in the fridge, but that's why showing us, say, look, give thanks and blessings to one another. You will take care of yourself.
Over 5-6 years now.
5-6 years now, man, baby? I feel you put your teeth there.
No, I buy them, but I put you on my yard also.
Alright, so them nice, you know. Alright. That one here, give me that one here. People, see that? You say a dozen for how much?
5 bills and 4 bills.
Alright, just give me, how much that?
It's almost 5 of them.
5. Just give me 6. I'll get a 2 for now. Alright, we're good. See the Jamaica. Give me a burrata.
Yeah.
You see that? Yeah, come on, take care of me. What is for the kind of please? Thank you so much. This is Randy with the dirty shirt. Taking care of the upper man. You said 200?
Yeah.
Alright, upper man. Turn it, them this? Beef. Oh, 100 upon